When the world plunges into darkness and the hum of electricity stops, not all canned foods are created equal. Some require cooking or mixing, luxuries you can't afford when the grid's down. Today, we're focusing on canned foods you can eat straight from the tin. No prep, no power, just pure survival fuel. Whether you're bracing for storms or blackouts, you need the right tools for survival. Here are the 12 best canned foods to stockpile before SHTF. Let's kick things off with a true survival staple, canned chicken breast. When the power goes out and fresh food is hard to come by, this humble can becomes a lifeline. It's shelf-stable, easy to store, and doesn't require refrigeration, making it perfect for emergencies or everyday convenience. Canned chicken breast is fully cooked and ready to eat straight from the can. There's no need for a stove, microwave, or even a campfire. Just pop the lid, and you've got a lean, high-quality protein source with absolutely zero prep work. It's a quick solution for meals when time or resources are limited. You can eat it plain, scoop it onto crackers for a simple snack, or mix it with canned vegetables for a more filling meal. It's incredibly versatile. Add it to salads, wraps, or even stir it into instant noodles. The options are endless, and you never need to worry about cooking. Protein is essential for muscle repair, immune system support, and maintaining your energy and stamina, especially during stressful situations. Canned chicken breast packs a powerful protein punch, helping you stay strong and healthy when you need it most. Another huge advantage? It stores well for years, often with expiration dates 2 to 5 years out. Even if you have to eat it cold, it still tastes good and keeps its texture, making it a reliable choice for any emergency food stash. If you're building a blackout pantry or prepping for any kind of emergency, canned chicken breast should be at the top of your list. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to rotate through your supplies. When it comes to survival foods, canned chicken breast is as close to a superfood as you can get. Nutritious, convenient, and always ready when you need it most. Next up, let's talk about canned salmon. My absolute go-to when I need a quick boost of energy and mental clarity, especially during tough times or emergencies. When the power's out and options are limited, this humble can becomes a true lifesaver. Whether you're facing a blackout, a natural disaster, or just want to be prepared for anything, canned salmon delivers both sustenance and sharp thinking in survival situations. It's a staple that's easy to store and ready to eat whenever you need it most. What makes it so special? Canned salmon is packed with high-quality protein and loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that are absolutely essential for keeping your brain functioning at its best, supporting memory, focus, and quick reflexes. These nutrients also help reduce inflammation and support heart health, making salmon a powerhouse food. Don't shy away from eating it straight from the can, bones and all. The soft, edible bones are a fantastic source of calcium, which is crucial for maintaining strong muscles and healthy nerves, both of which are vital when you're under stress or on the move. The robust, savory flavor and satisfying texture make canned salmon a reliable meal that fills you up fast, with absolutely no cooking or prep required. It's comfort food that's also practical, especially when resources are scarce. For a bit of variety, try pairing it with canned vegetables or beans. Mixing salmon with other canned goods not only adds flavor and texture, but also boosts the overall nutrition of your meal, helping you stay energized and satisfied for longer. Or, if you're in a hurry or want to keep things simple, enjoy it solo. Just you, a fork, and pure concentrated nutrition straight from the can. So, make sure to stock up on canned salmon for your emergency pantry. It's a smart, long-lasting choice that keeps both your body and mind in fighting shape, no matter what challenges come your way. When the lights go out and you need reliable nutrition, beans are the unsung heroes of the Blackout pantry. Often overlooked, these humble cans pack a serious punch when it comes to both convenience and nourishment. Each serving delivers a generous amount of protein and fiber, which not only keeps you feeling fuller for longer but also helps maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. The fiber supports digestion, while the protein helps your muscles recover and stay strong, even when your routine is disrupted. The best part? Canned beans are fully cooked and ready to eat straight from the can. No stove, microwave, or electricity required. Just grab a manual can opener and you have an instant meal or snack. With so many varieties to choose from, black beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, and more, you can enjoy different flavors and textures while benefiting from slow-burning energy and stabilized blood sugar. Each type brings its own unique nutrients and taste to the table. For a heartier meal, mix canned beans with other pantry staples like canned chicken, salmon, or fresh or canned vegetables. This simple combination creates a satisfying, no-cook meal that will keep you fueled and satisfied for hours. Another major advantage is their impressive shelf life. Canned beans can last for years when stored properly, making them a smart and essential addition to any emergency preparedness kit or well-stocked pantry. For even more nutrition, pair your beans with grains like rice or quinoa. This combination forms a complete protein, giving your body all the essential amino acids it needs. With canned beans and grains, you're truly set for the long haul, no matter what comes your way. Canned chili is survival comfort in a can. Protein, carbs, and fats all in one. Eat it cold, straight from the can, for a balanced, filling meal. The spices and flavors boost morale when you need it most. Bulk it up with extra beans, veggies, or canned chicken for added nutrition. Its convenience and versatility make it a must for any blackout pantry. When you're running on empty, chili refuels fast. Sardines aren't about luxury, they're about survival nutrition. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and calcium from edible bones, they're ready to eat from the tin. The fats provide steady energy, and omega-3s keep your mind sharp. Eat with crackers or solo. These little fish are pure fuel. The taste is bold, but the nutrition is unbeatable. For shelf life and ease, sardines are hard to beat. Canned fruit and juice delivers hydration and quick energy. The fruit provides vitamins and natural sugars, while the juice helps replenish fluids. Choose varieties packed in juice, not syrup, for better nutrition. Peaches, pears, pineapple, these lift spirits and provide a fast energy boost. Drink the juice or use it to flavor water if supplies run low. Canned fruit is a practical way to get vitamins and hydration during a blackout. Your body needs more than protein and carbs. Micronutrients are essential. Canned mixed vegetables offer a range of vitamins and minerals, ready to eat. Carrots, peas, potatoes, corn, all in one can for balanced nutrition. Add to protein sources for a complete survival meal. Long shelf life and no prep make them indispensable. Mixed veggies help prevent nutrient deficiencies in a crisis. Canned pasta meals satisfy hunger with carbs and a bit of protein, fuel for body and mind. Pre-cooked and ready to eat cold, they're a lifesaver when heating isn't an option. Ravioli, spaghetti hoops, macaroni, hearty and filling, even cold. Eat solo or bulk up with canned meat or veggies for extra nutrition. Stock a few cans for fast, practical energy when you need it most. Canned coconut milk is calorie-dense and packed with healthy fats, perfect for survival. Drink it straight, mix with canned fruit, or use as a base for cold soups. The fats provide steady energy and help keep you going for hours. In hot climates, it's also hydrating and refreshing. Its versatility keeps meals interesting when options are limited. For calories and shelf stability, coconut milk is a secret weapon. Canned soup is survival food, hydrating, nutritious, and easy to eat, hot or cold. No heat required, just open and enjoy. Choose varieties with beans, meat, and veggies for the most nutrition. Soup provides electrolytes, vitamins, and minerals to keep your body functioning. The liquid content helps stretch your water supply. Make canned soup a cornerstone of your emergency pantry. Nut butters are a survivalist's dream. Quick calories, lasting energy, and no prep. Peanut, almond, or mixed nut spreads are rich in healthy fats, protein, and calories. Eat straight, spread on crackers, or stir into oats for a dense meal. They pair well with almost anything in your stash. Small but mighty, nut butters pack a powerful nutritional punch. Canned evaporated milk is a multitasker, shelf-stable, calorie-dense, and loaded with protein and calcium. Drink it straight, use in coffee, or pour over cereal for a quick meal. It stretches other foods and adds creamy texture when fresh milk isn't available. Add to cereal, oats, or canned fruit for an energy-rich dish. For versatility and nutrition, evaporated milk is a blackout essential. Surviving a blackout is about function, nutrition, and staying power, not fancy food. Every can in your pantry should keep you fueled, hydrated, and strong when the world goes dark. Review your pantry and swap out foods that need heating or offer little nutrition. Stock up on the Powerhouse foods we covered, meals you can trust when the lights go out. Stay safe, and remember, in survival, it's always better to be prepared than caught off guard.